Hi everybody, today I'm going to be sharing how I paint a one-stroke unicorn. Using a flat brush that's loaded with a one-stroke cake that has dark pink, light pink, and white, I'm going to create the ears on top of the brows, keeping the white paint towards the outside. And for the horn, I'm using silver loaded on a round brush. Using a combination of silver and metallic blue loaded on the sponge, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow. Here I've loaded a one-stroke cake that has pink, purple, and light blue on a flat brush. And I'm going to create the center tuft of hair between the ears, at the bottom of the horn, and at the outer portions of the ears. I'm going to create 3 connecting C-shaped strokes for the rest of the mane. For outlining and details, I'm using a round brush loaded with white paint, starting with the horn. Line work on the hair below the horn, outline the ears, and add a few flicks of white paint at the inner ear for the appearance of fur. Add lines double-ended swirls, and teardrops to the mane. Also a few teardrops on the eyes. Highlights, starbursts at the cheeks and forehead, and finish with lipstick. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Stop looking at yourself, look at that eyeball.